Hi guys, today I want to show you how to use VistaCreate to create simple designs. So type in Google VistaCreate. Hit the first thing that appears to you. So VistaCreate is like just a Canva editing app. It's like Canva. You can create designs, edit templates, and so on. So let's get started. Free trial. So you can choose here, for example, a Pinterest template. Just click on this Pinterest graphic, open it in your tab. You can just edit this. You can edit the text, edit the background, choose another template. You can also choose templates for Instagram or Facebook. For example, Instagram. These templates, open the template that you want in your window and edit it as you want. You can also add styles, remove the background, add another background, upload an image from your local computer, add objects, and so on. So this is very easy. You can also use VistaCreate to create logos. For example, type in logo of these local templates. So start the logo from scratch, and that's it, guys. So it's very easy to use and simple. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment. See you in the next video, and thanks for watching.